Right, the heat is on, and as those temperatures continue to rise, it's important to stay hydrated. Joining me now is Samantha Stewart from the Arkansas Heart Hospital with you're going to tell us about, first of all, let's talk about hydration. How important is it to stay hydrated?
Very hydrated, and it's very important to stay hydrated. So especially as you're talking about, as the temperatures warm up, we're putting ourselves at greater risk for becoming dehydrated. And dehydration happens when we lose more fluids than we take in. And so some big signs and symptoms to be looking out for, especially in children and seniors, because they're at highest risk, are sunken eyes, inability to create tears, fussiness, especially in little ones, dizziness and confusion. So if you start to pick up on those signs and symptoms, which they're subtle, you know, they kind of just creep up on you, get them into a shady spot, cool them off, and start to give people fluids at that point.
All right, speaking of fluids, you have something here for us.
We do. So a lot of people turn to Pedialyte or Gatorade, but you can actually throw something together with common ingredients that you keep around the house.
What do we have here then?
We have 1/4 cup of lemon juice. 1/2 cup of orange juice, if you want to help me with that.
There we go.
We're going to throw in 2 tablespoons of honey. And then 2 cups of water.
All right.
And just 1/8 teaspoon of salt. So this will stay good for about 1 to 2 days. But you can always turn it into popsicles. Take it with you to the park.
That makes sense.
To the lake. So everyone can have a tasty treat and an easy way to stay hydrated throughout the summer.
Cool. All right, and real quick, everyone wants to know, how much water should you be drinking in a day?
Yes, so for children, you're looking at 8 ounces for every year. So for example, 2 years old, 16 fluid ounces. So for adults, you're actually looking at higher than 64 fluid ounces. So for men, 120 fluid ounces, which is a lot.
That is a lot,
And for women, 90 fluid ounces. But you can get about 20% of that from your food. So fruits and veggies. So you don't have to drink it all.
But you can eat some of it.
You certainly can eat some of it.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
All right, we'll be right back.